Good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Smart Preparation to Success. As a part of our TGPSC Group 1 preparation, daily మనం 2 answers రాస్తున్నాం కదా ఇవి day 13 answers. Let's start. First question, discuss the constitutional position of the high courts in India, examine their jurisdiction and role in protecting fundamental rights. So, High Court. High courts or constitutional courts established under Part 6, Article 20, 214, 231 of the Indian Constitution. They function as the highest judicial authority at the state duty level and act as guardians of the Constitution within their territorial jurisdiction. Now they are asking about the constitutional position. So constitutional position is according to the Article 214, one high court for each state. Judges appointed by the president according to the Article 217 with security of tenure ensuring independence. High courts or courts of record according to the Article 215 with power to punish for contempt. Jurisdiction of high courts. Original jurisdiction. Limited but includes enforcement of fundamental rights. Writ jurisdiction. Article 226 can issue writs not only for fundamental rights but also for any other purpose. Appellate jurisdiction. Appeals from subordinate courts in civil and criminal matters. Supervisory jurisdiction. Control over subordinate courts and tribunals. Advisory and other powers. Interpretation of constitutional and legal issues. Role in protecting fundamental rights. Acts as the first constitutional forum for citizens. Expanded access to justice through liberal. Key role in judicial review of executive and legislative actions. Conclusion. High courts occupy a pivotal position in India's constitutional framework through wide writ powers and supervisory control. They ensure rule of law and effective protection of fundamental rights at the state level. This is the first answer. Second question. Examine the structure and jurisdiction of subordinate courts in India. How do they contribute access to justice at the grassroots level? Subordinate courts form the base of India's judicial system and are provided under Article 233 to 237 of the Constitution. They are directly with the common people and handle the bulk of litigations. Structure of subordinate courts is civil courts, a district judge, highest civil courts in the district, subordinate judge, junior civil judge. Criminal court, session judge, additional sessions judge, judicial magistrates. Jurisdiction, civil jurisdiction based on pecuniary and territorial limits. Criminal jurisdiction based on severity of offences and code of criminal procedures. Subject superintendence of the High Court according to the Article 227. Now, contribution to access to justice. Provide grassroots level justice closer to people. Handles the maximum number of cases, reducing burden on high courts. Facilitates speedy and equitable justice. Support mechanisms like Lok Adalats, legal services authorities, and plea bargaining. Conclusion is subordinate courts are the backbone of the Indian judiciary by delivering justice at the local level. They strengthen public faith in the legal system and uphold the constitutional idea of justice for all. So these are the two answers. As a part of our preparation, today is the day 14th to-do list. So today topics మనకి హై కోర్ట్ సబార్డినేట్ కోర్ట్స్ ఫినిష్ అయిపోయాయి. సో ట్రిబ్యునల్స్ అండ్ కన్జ్యూమర్ కమిషన్స్ అండ్ లోక్ అడల్ట్స్ అండ్ అదర్ కోర్ట్స్. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి సబ్ టాపిక్స్ ఏంటి అంటే లైక్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ ట్రిబ్యునల్స్ ఫర్ ఓల్డర్ మ్యాటర్స్, National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, Local Adults and other courts, National Legal Service Authority, Local Adults, Permanent Local Adults, Family Courts, Gram Nyayalas, Commercial Courts. So these are the టుడే టాపిక్స్. ఓకే, సో ఈ టాపిక్స్ మనకి ప్రిలిమ్స్లో చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. సో ప్రిలిమ్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో చదవండి. ఓకే, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ టాపిక్స్ మనం డైలీ 2 ఆన్సర్స్ రాస్తున్నాం కదా. సో 2 questions. First question, examine the role of tribunals in India as an alternative dispute resolution mechanism. Discuss their advantages and limitations in comparison with traditional courts. Second question, discuss the significance of consumer commissions and local adults in strengthening access to justice in India. How do these institutions help in reducing pendency of cases and promoting speedy justice? These are the 2 questions. For further more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.